What's the meaning of Bonar Law? Bonar Law. Bonar Law.
Bonar Law. Bonar Law. Bonar Law was the name of a British Conservative Party politician who served as Prime Minister from 1922 to 1923. He is best known for his leadership during a period of political transition following World War I and for his efforts to address economic and social issues in Britain. During his brief tenure as Prime Minister, Bonar Law worked to reduce government spending, support industrial development, and promote national unity. However, his reign was cut short by illness, and he resigned after only 211 days in office. Despite his short time in power, Bonar Law is still remembered as an influential figure in British politics.